Welcome to Aurora Chemistry for everyone. Let us see how to write resonance structure for NO3 minus nitrate ion. To write the resonance structure, first we should write Lewis structure. See the steps. To write the Lewis structure, using the steps, let us write Lewis structure first. Step 1, skeletal structure. Step 2, while drawing the skeletal structure, center should be less electronegative atom. So let us in NO3 minus, nitrogen is less electronegative, so let us write nitrogen in the center and remaining 3 oxygen just around, let us draw. If you see that step 3, count valence electrons. So let us count valence electron. Nitrogen, here only one nitrogen atom is here, so 1 into nitrogen valence electron 5 plus there are 3 oxygen atoms, so 3 into oxygen valence electron 6. Listen here, in NO3 minus, this is polyatomic anion. So whenever anion is present, you should add the charge. So here minus 1. So you should add plus 1. Suppose if it is cation, you should subtract. So if you add all together, you will get 24 valence electrons. So in nitrate ion, 24 valence electrons are present. Come to step 4, single bond between all the atoms. So let us draw single bond between all the atoms. Step 5, double or triple bond for central atom. Why do we give double or triple bond? Means to make the atom stable by giving octet configuration. Octet means 8 valence electrons, because atoms with 8 valence electrons are stable. So to know that, you know valence electron in nitrogen 5. So let us draw electron dot structure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 lone pair and 3 unpaired electrons are here. So this lone pair involved in dative bond. So 1 from dative bond and the other 3 are involved in covalent bond. So 3. So total nitrogen can give 4 bonds. So here see, already 3 bonds here. So we can make 1 more bond. So let us draw that another bond. Now you see that nitrogen 2, 4, 6, 8. So 8 electrons are present in nitrogen. So octet configuration. Now let us check that total valence electrons, 24 valence electrons. To know that, to check that step 6, octet for highly electronegative atom, because oxygen is not satisfied with octet configuration. So here already 2, 4, 6, 8. Same way for this oxygen also, 2, 4, 6, 8. Here already 2, 4 electrons are here. So 6, 8. Let us check that with the 24 valence electron. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So 24 valence electrons are here. This is polyatomic ions, isn't it? So you should enclose this one with brackets, and this charge, you should write it in the topmost right side, minus 1. So this is one Lewis structure. See, certain compounds, one Lewis structure cannot explain the properties of the compounds. If you see that this nitrate ion, there is a possibility you can make it other Lewis structure also. So this phenomenon we call as resonance. So let us see how to write the resonance. To write the resonance, we have some rules. So this is the first Lewis structure. You can say that it is a resonance structure. So let me write that the same thing here. That resonance structure, some rules are there. You have to follow that rules. You can't change that atom's position. You can change only that electrons. But at the same time, you should remember that total number of electrons should be same. So if you look at this here, you can see which part is electron rich part. So this oxygen, at the same time this oxygen. So what you can do now, we can move this electron. So when you move this electron, you should see total number of electrons should be same. So for example, I will show you. See, if you move this electron, what will happen to this? This nitrogen will get double bond. So when it gets double bond, what will happen to this? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So nitrogen will get more than 8. So it is like violating octet rule. So it is not possible. So that is why this pi electrons will move on here. Okay. So let me show you. First let us write that atoms first. Then we will show you that, then we will write that resonance structure. So here now double bond will come. So when double bond will come, here only 4 electrons. So now pi electrons are moving here. So here 2, 4, 6. Okay, but this side there is no change only. So we are going to write the side as such. Now check that oxygen also 8. This oxygen also 8 valence electrons. Here also 8. Nitrogen also you see 2, 4, 6, 8. So 8 valence electrons. So this is one resonating structure. Let us check with total number of electrons, because according to that resonance rule, total valence electron should be same. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So this is correct. So let us enclose with brackets and right. Any other possibilities are here. See, here this is electron rich part. So now this part, these 2 electrons can move here and can become double bonds. So when it becomes double bond, this nitrogen becomes more than 8. So it is like violating octet rule. So due to that, these pi electrons again move on to oxygen. So let us write that first atoms, oxygen, here oxygen. So now what will happen to that? This here now it goes to become double bond. So let us write double bond. So now this one becomes single bond. Okay, so let us complete that first octet configuration for oxygen. Now see, this side there is no change only. So we are going to write as such. So let us count that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So 24 valence electrons are here. So this is another resonating structure. See, any other possibility? Yeah, you can move this one, isn't it? Because this part is electron rich part. But if you are moving this one, what will comes? Again you will get that the first resonating structure only. So these are the 3 resonating structures possible in NO3-. This resonance can be shown by double-headed arrow. Okay. See students, these resonating structures are not real. One more structure, the average of 3 resonating structures we called resonance hybrid. In resonance hybrid, only pi electrons involved in resonance is shown in dashed line. So let us draw that resonance hybrid. First let us write that atom's position. Here see that only pi electrons are moved. So single bond we will write. So pi electrons movement we will write it like dashed line. So this is resonance hybrid. This resonance hybrid is stable because energy is very less. So this is resonance hybrid. So how many resonating structures are possible in nitrate ion? 3 resonating structures are possible. Thanks for watching.